line. It's the line that we needed. Yep, right there. A 2002 to 2006 Chrysler Sebring. As you can see right here, we're gonna change the radio, an Android radio, and we're gonna install the backup camera. So the backup camera is, I don't know if it's missing something right here, or I think something is missing here. So but anyway, so I ran the green wire and the jacks. I'm gonna just pull it using a coat hanger or some sort of metal that pull it up. So got it pulled out. Take the tape out, and I'm gonna make a hole right there. I'm gonna put a camera back here, and then I need to remove this too, this plastic right there. So nothing was missing, it's just an older version. I usually see like a cover here. Took 4 clip out, and I'm gonna drill a hole right there. Maybe I had to take this out right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that out. That's 10 millimeter right there. Get that out so you can run the wire down here and then screw down here. So the wire is gonna go up like this and coming through right here somehow. Yep. Made a hole using a uni-bit right there. You can get this, I will link this for you. And you gotta make it close to at least 3/4. Then you can use the duct seal to cover that so the water won't get in there. So I use a duct seal. I squeeze it a little bit, and then I'm gonna have the wire right there. As you can see, I screw 2 little screws right there. Sometimes there's a plastic down here, you have to get it out. And I'm gonna let the wire hanging out about this much, and then put duct seal right there. Reason I do that, because the wire, when you put the license plate back on here, if your wire is short, it's gonna pull it. So now I can put it back. So I got this plug. I'm gonna plug in here, and you got black and red. Okay, so I want to run black back this way. I'm gonna tap to this black right here, where the this black is ground, or you can make a ground right here. I'm pretty sure this is for ground. There's a black and white also, but I'm pretty sure black is ground on that. So we'll run this thing over here and tap to here. So I tape this black right here. I'm gonna make the wire looks nicer, neater, nice and neat. Yeah, like right there. And then now I got this yellow right there. I'm gonna plug to the yellow jack. I'm gonna plug it back on here. Reason I'm doing this right now, I can figure out how much wire I got extra, or if it's too short, but this car should be okay. So now I'm gonna tap this red together to this green, because I'm gonna run this green to the to the reverse color right there. I don't know exactly what it is. I had to test that. So I do use one of this meter right there. You can get this called GT101. Basically, it's got power and ground. You can just test it. You can tell which one it is. But this, you got to be careful. If you put positive trigger right here, it's going to send 12 volt. It can burn up something. So when you do it, you got to hold it like this, not holding right here to test it. But you can use a regular basic test light, and it's a lot cheaper. Now you want to use the electrical tape and tape it up, tape both of them. That way it won't be accident come loose or something. I'm gonna try to hide it through this existing wire that they had before. See, right there's that split loom, and just hide it in there and then tape it. So we are now, I ran the wire all the way down here, and then I stopped right there because I have to remove this stereo out first. And in order to remove it out, you're gonna need a prior. We're gonna say, so basically right here, see that? That makes sure everything is the feeling of it. Okay, I had to really gentle, man. I wish there's not a better way, but there is clip right there, all over right there. You have to be careful. Yep, for that. Ooh, man, I've done a couple of these before, but that's okay. You don't have to take this side, okay? Just push it back and push it back. I thought you do. Like I said, I've done not too many of these, and as you can see, if you pry that, you'll break them. Right there, the screw right there. So do not pry that piece. I repeat, do not pry this side piece. Just pry this piece out. Now you have the option of taking this AC controller out or not. I'm just gonna take this 4 screw out, Phillips, or 7mm out. Now with 2 hands, one hand holding this and the other one just pull it straight out. Wow. So they got an XM something here hooked up. No wonder why she didn't have a good radio signal. And ooh, man, that wiring is different from the one they ordered. So I might have to hardwire this thing right there, because this thing is a different plug from the Android that they have. Now usually I don't have to take this out, but since this wiring is crazy like that, I'm push this in, squeeze it in, pull it out. Same as this one right there. Squeeze and pull out. Yeah, if you look at this wiring right here, it is crazy down there. So you got an XM module, the old version. I'm gonna just take that out and take this plug out, and this wiring right there, take it out. Well, we can use this. We're not gonna use this. I'm just gonna see what, I'm just gonna leave it back there again because I don't need that. And they put the secret lighter right there for the module later, right there. I'm not gonna bother with that. And this wiring is, compared to the Android that we are hooking up, it is not the right one. It is the wrong one. No, it's the right one. They got 2 different types for me. Ah, sweet. So now we got this Android right there we're gonna install, and we are gonna hook up this. We're gonna run this jacks right here. This is for the Bluetooth. This is for the XM. This is for the GPS. We're not gonna use this because it comes with this. And we're gonna just plug it all in right now and make it simple and easy. Right there. Gotta be careful. Okay, now this 2, we're not doing it yet. We definitely need this plug right there. There's 2 different type of plug. We're gonna plug the main one in, the main power. And we're gonna plug these in here, and then I'm gonna run this Bluetooth mic from here to there. This is convertible, so I'm gonna try to fit it somewhere. I might have to do it right here because I don't want to run it up all the way here. I'm gonna run here, going down straight to the radio here. So you will want to remove this clip out. Here's a clip. It's gonna be somewhere here. You see that? Pry it out with this or some sort of tools that you have just to pry this out. I'm gonna run the Bluetooth plug over here. Actually, I'm gonna run this. What I'm supposedly doing first is this for the Bluetooth. Ooh, wire all over the place with my lights, and my camera right here going up here straight over there, right there, and the Bluetooth. These wire that I talk about, the USB, one of them is for the Android Apple Play, and one of them just a regular charger. I ran it from that glove compartment to over here. So I think I should just cut all this thing out so they don't have any more issue with this stereo. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it and tape it. So we got everything hooked up. I got the antenna. I'm gonna just tighten it in. Before I plug this yellow plug for the backup camera right here, even though you don't hook up a backup camera or not, you need to plug this thing in. This is for Bluetooth. And so what I did, this red wire from the yellow one, I tap it with the brown wire where the CAN bus is. That brown wire is the so it sends a polarity. When you put on reverse, it's gonna show that it's got a power. So I don't have to hook up to these backlight right there, to the reverse light where I ran the green wire. I don't have to do that. I can just do it from here. I now plug the yellow wire together, tape them. I don't know why I say yellow wire. Actually, it is a yellow RCA jacks. So now all this plug that's come, there's a black wire black plug that you can hook up to the mic. This is a mic wire. Plug that in. And then this CAN bus got this green wire right there. You need to plug it in also. Make sure you see this is top. Make sure it's a top right there. Dirty hand, dirty finger when you do this every day. So now you got this two plug for the USB. You just plug to this one and you plug the main power in, and you'll plug the antenna adapter right here. You plug it, you turn it on, click on that. There you go. And then now what you want to do, you want to put where you add is American #1, and then you can change the frequency, the sound, however you want it to be. I like it more trebles. See how it is. So now I'm just, and I mean literally that's it. Let me put on reverse and see if, nope. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, it's working fine. So I don't need that one signal I was talking about earlier. And there's a setting where you can put lines and everything out there. I'm gonna go to the back and finish my back. The front is good. You also can just click search right here, and then there's any sound, any signal will add on there. You just click one, like 97.9 such and such. It's just gonna scan through all the channels. See that? So as you can see, got the sound, everything's good. Click on home. It is a small piece. You can pull it down like so. You can click on your Wi-Fi right here, and you can search. Take that out. And so here you can go to YouTube. It's slow because it's just first time uploading the YouTube. So here it is.
Weightlessness and confinement affect their behavioral habits.
Well, I'm supposed to listen to this thing. It must be slow. That's my video guy. Let's get this thing. It's small compared to all the screen I've done. It's a little bit slow to upload. 04 to 08. I'm gonna be installing the backup cameras. I'm gonna show you right here. Actually, I'm gonna start doing a video about doing that. No, it doesn't look like that. I froze it like that. As you can see, that's the video. Now here's a programming that you might want to check it out. Click on that. Oh, not that one. That one. No, this one on the bottom. Go to factory setting. Numbers 8888. Press OK. Backup camera protocol. So reverse radar setting. Reverse image color. Reverse radar. Radar, reversing radar. Basically, I should have a radar. Oh, that's that radar, not that one. It's another one. reverse color setting, reverse plot, reverse camera angle, here parking. Let me try that. Nope, not that one. Reverse solution. There's a lot of stuff on here. You can change the AC unit, but it's not gonna work on every one of them. I'm trying to look for that. Reverse right switch, right view switch, parking radar, reverse angle switch, reverse lay auxiliary line. Yep, reverse lay auxiliary line is the line that we needed. Yep, right there. So yeah, other than that, you're good to rock.
Powerful and very symbolic, and he likes that.